Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to set up your Bitget Google Two-Factor Authenticator. So we're here on the home page. The first thing we have to do is go to the top left and click on our profile. Once here, we have to click on our profile again up here on the top. Now we see these tabs. Let's go to security and let's click on Google Authenticator. Now, of course, you would need a Google Authenticator and you can get it from the Play Store. I already have mine set up. Now for this video, I am opening this on the PC, so I could simply scan the QR code with my phone. However, if you're using just one phone, just copy this code and let's go over to our Authenticator. Click on the plus icon or add a code down at the bottom right. Enter a setup key and I'll just put on the code name Bitget, enter the key, just leave it as time-based, and here we go. So now we have our Bitget key. Our Google Authenticator is set up. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please leave a like, subscribe, and maybe ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.